How to fix phone automatically restarting issue. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If your phone keeps restarting on its own, don't panic. It's a common issue that usually easy to fix. Let's go through the most effective solutions step by step. The first thing is to restart in safe mode. What it basically does is safe mode disable third-party apps, and if the problem stops, a recently installed app is likely causing the restart. Then you can uninstall the suspicious app. Long press on the power button, tap on the power off menu and hold on to it, and it will bring out the safe mode. Now you can just go ahead and tap on it to restart your phone in the safe mode, and downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled. Then if you find the faulty app, then you can easily uninstall the app. You can also check for software updates. Go ahead and open settings. Scroll down and find software updates. Then tap on download and install. If there is any update available, go ahead and tap on download and you should be good to go. Then you can free up storage if you have low storage. For that, you can directly head over to your device care and go over to storage. Tap on storage, and if you have large files that's taking a lot of space, you can delete them from here. You can check and reset your settings. For that, tap on the gear icon, then tap on general management, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings. Tap on the button down below. So what it's going to do is reset all of your settings on your phone and you're going to be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.